Microsoft recently announced Microsoft Applied Skills, a new way how to get valuable credentials. But wait, it's not another certification you need to pass by successfully completing a written exam. Instead, it's a skill-based approach with interactive online assessment inside lab environment. It's an excellent way how to gain hands-on experience with cloud solutions and prove potential employers that you have the necessary knowledge and skills to be successful at the specific role. I am a huge fan when it comes to cloud security related projects. This way, you can separate yourself from other candidates and ultimately show the recruiter that you have the necessary skill and knowledge and also the passion for the industry. Microsoft Applied Skills are similar to that. It's a project base with interactive lab experience for different skills. At the moment, there are 8 different skills you can gain credentials for, and 2 of them are directly related to security. So let's check them out. The first one is for Microsoft Defender for Cloud. In this path, you need to configure Microsoft Defender for Cloud, implement just-in-time access for VM to mitigate network security risk, implement log analytics workspace to gather logs from your VM, and ultimately enhance security monitoring. You will also configure Azure Key Vault, firewalls, virtual networks, private endpoints, and other network security solutions. The best thing about it, Microsoft actually provides you with a learning path, where you will learn everything you need to know before you jump into 2-hour lab environment to configure everything. That's absolutely brilliant, and if you pass, you get to share this achievement with others on LinkedIn, ultimately helping you to get noticed by the recruiters. And that's exactly what you want if you're trying to break into the cloud security. Alright, the other assessment you could take is related to Microsoft Sentinel. And I'm glad that Microsoft decided to include this one. And I'm not saying this because I'm working daily with Microsoft Sentinel. I honestly believe it's one of the best projects you can implement in your free time. In this one, you will create cloud-based SIEM solution, connect Windows machine, configure analytics rules to detect threats, and create automation with playbooks to improve your incident response. Those are brilliant skills to have on your CV. To be said, I wouldn't stop with those assessments either. You could build your very own lab, your very own projects, and further develop the skills related to those solutions. Because there are many more functionalities and possibilities you could do with Microsoft Sentinel or Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Overall, I love it. I believe this is the right path. Because overall, everyone is competent enough to learn terms related to a written exam. This one is something completely different. You need to implement the solutions. You need to have the hands-on skills. And ultimately, that's how you learn the most. When you face a unique problem, you get some errors, you try to troubleshoot it, you Google for the solutions. That's how you get comprehensive understanding on the topic, not when you read the documentation. At least, that's my opinion. What do you think? Did you take the assessment? How was it? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like for more content in the future.